Hi all, myself Sneha Giridharan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, and my topic is Introduction to Generative AI, that is harnessing the power of machine learning to create novel and unique content. The fundamentals of the generative AI involves machine learning foundations, data-driven creativity, and generative adversarial networks. So, for the machine learning foundation involves exploring the core algorithms and techniques that power generative AI models. The data-driven creativity involves leveraging large dataset to generate innovative and diverse content, and the generative adversarial networks involves understanding the GAN architecture and its role in generative AI. The major applications of the generative AI involves content creation, simulation and modeling, personalization and customization, and lastly automation and optimization. So for the content creation involves generating text, images, music and other kinds of media. The simulation and the modeling involves creating realistic simulations of the complex systems and environments. The personalization and customization involves tailoring content and experiences to the individual preferences. Automation and optimization involves streamlining tasks and improving efficiency across various kinds of industries. So the generative AI models, that is the various kinds of architectures and the techniques used in generative AI. So this involves auto-regressive model, that is generating sequential data like text by predicting the next token. Next is variational autoencoders. This involves encoding data into a compressed latent space to generate new samples. Next is generative adversarial networks, that includes competing generator and discriminator networks to improve generation. These are the major challenges and the limitations faced by the generative AI. First one is the bias and the fairness. Second one is the safety and reliability. Thirdly, interpretability and transparency, and lastly computational efficiency. The bias and fairness includes addressing biases in training data and ensuring inclusive outputs. The safety and the reliability involves ensuring the safety and reliability of generative AI systems. The interpretability and the transparency improves the explainability of the generative AI models. The computational efficiency involves developing much more efficient kind of algorithms and hardware for creating the generative AI. These are the major ethical considerations that we have to keep in mind in generative AI. First one is the privacy and security. This involves protecting personal data and preventing misuse of generated content. Next is the authenticity and deception, which involves ensuring the responsible use of generative AI in order to avoid deception. Lastly, accountability and governance, which involve developing ethical frameworks and policies for the generative AI systems. The future of the generative AI. So this involves advancement in AI, unleashing creativity, human AI collaboration, and societal transformation. So the advancement in the AI involves continuous improvements in generative AI models and its capabilities. Unleashing creativity empowers human to explore new creative frontiers. Next is the human AI collaboration, that involves leveraging generative AI to augment and enhance the human abilities. And lastly, exploring the far-reaching implications of the generative AI on society comes under the societal transformation. Conclusion and key takeaways. First one is unleashing creativity, that is generative AI empowers human to explore new creative frontiers. Next is transformative potential, that is generative AI has to the power to revolutionize industries and reshape our world. Lastly, responsible development. Addressing the ethical challenges of generative AI is crucial for its safe and beneficial deployment. Thank you.